And here we are, in the part where I'm going to build a FAQ page. Since this page involves a lot of steps that are similar to what I've already shown you in earlier videos, I won't overwhelm you with the unnecessary commentary. Instead, I will let you watch the process step by step, and whenever something new or important comes up that I haven't covered before, I will pause and walk you through it. Once again, I'm using the powerful grid layout option. It's a great way to quickly control the structure and spacing of your elements. In the next wrap, I've used a structure that allows for more creative layouts. Thanks to inner wraps, I can easily recreate even the most complex designs. In this example, the left wrap contains two elements, a heading and a plain text block with a short description. The right wrap holds a button, which can position however we like relative to the content on the left. Now, take a look at how fast and easy it is to optimize this layout for mobile. With just a few clicks, we can adjust everything to create a layout that looks great on smartphones. No complicated steps needed. To wrap things up, I want to show you a quick technique for reducing the width of a wrap and centering it on the page. Here's how. Go to the wrap's Advanced Dimensions tab and set the width to, say, 70% of the grid. Then go to the Sections Advanced Positioning tab and enable the option that centers the wrap. That's it. A clean, centered layout, simple and effective.